In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require a phone number on Calendly. Scheduling appointments can be a breeze, but ensuring you have all the necessary details from your clients or attendees beforehand is key to effective communication and planning. Sometimes having a direct phone line to your client can make all the difference, especially for those last-minute changes or urgent updates. That's why today we're diving into Calendly, a superb online appointment scheduling software, to show you how to mandate that your attendees provide their phone numbers when they book an appointment with you. First things first, let's head over to Calendly's website. Upon arriving, you'll be greeted with the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that login button to proceed. If you've been enjoying the seamless integration of Google services across the web, you'll find Calendly keeps up with the trend. You'll see the option to continue with Google. Selecting this not only speeds up the process, but keeps one less password out of your already overloaded memory bank. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account if you have more than one. Ensure you pick the account associated with your Calendly. The website will then ask for permissions. Make sure to review these and continue if you agree. It's all about streamlining and securing your experience. Once you're successfully logged in, your default landing page would typically be your dashboard or your event types page. Depending on how you've last used Calendly, you'll need to navigate to the Event Types tab if you're not already there. This page is where all your predetermined types of appointments are housed. Whether it's a one-on-one, a group session, or a class you're teaching, this is where each appointment type gets its unique settings. Browse through your event types and select the one you wish to add the phone number requirement to. This could be your most popular consultation service, or maybe a new class you're offering. Once you've clicked into an event, look for the booking page options. This section allows for further customization of your event types, which is exactly what we need. Clicking on booking page options will open up a plethora of settings you can modify to tailor your event type to your exact needs. Within this treasure trove of options, find and select Add New Question. This function is a powerful customization tool that lets you gather additional information from your attendees, precisely what you're here for. After selecting Add New Question, you'll be prompted to type out your question. It's straightforward. Type something clear like what's your phone number to avoid any confusion. Clear communication is key to getting accurate and useful responses. Next up, you'll see an option for Answer Type. This is critical because it lets you define the nature of the response you're expecting. For our purpose, clicking on phone number as the answer type makes the most sense. This ensures the responses are in a standardized format, making it easier for you to utilize the information effectively. And that's nearly it. Once you've set up the field to capture phone numbers, don't forget to hit Done. This action saves your changes, ensuring that moving forward, anyone booking this particular type of event will be required to enter their phone number. And with that, you've successfully tailored your Calendly event to require attendees to provide their phone numbers, streamlining your process, improving communication, and ensuring you have a direct line to your attendees for those critical last-minute updates or changes. Remember, the beauty of tools like Calendly lies in their flexibility and customizability. Playing around with settings, trying out different configurations, and continually optimizing your booking process is key to leveraging the full potential of this powerful software. Today's instruction on requiring a phone number is just the beginning. There's a whole world of customization options at your fingertips to explore. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial,